I'm going to show you how the new Venetio mop works wonders for me. The blue bucket, the double bucket is there, and that's what I used to use on my 10 different floors in my house. I have some vinyl floors and some wood floors. This is what I used before with a full bucket of water. It's very heavy to carry around, especially if you have back problems or any other kind of weight problems or anything that you can't carry. I'll show you how I used to use this. You take your mop, you have to put it in the full bucket of water and put it in the spinner, which you have to be careful you don't get your floor all wet as you're doing this. Then you have to pedal, use the pedal to get this spun out, which hurts your foot if you don't have shoes on, and it gets tiresome even if you do have shoes on. Then you use it on your floor, and then you have to put your mop back in, your dirty mop from the floor, back in here, and what you're doing is just using dirty water to mop the floor. The Venetio, I have it filled to where it says max, which is a very little bit of water in there, and you just put that on top. Very simple to put the mop together also. You push this down so that you could spin, and you spin until the water comes up from the bottom because it's filtered to give you clean water. Bring it up, tighten the lock, and you're ready to go. And your water stays at that level. There's no full bucket of water to empty. It's just absolutely amazing that I only have one bucket, a little bit of water to do my 10 floors.